Hey guys, Ms. Richardson here. I hope you guys are having a good morning. I know most of you have heard the news already that the school buildings will be closed through the end of the school year. That means that we will not be returning back to our schools, but we will still continue with digital learning, just like we've been doing the last 3 weeks. Next week we have spring break, yay! So we don't have school. But I encourage you to continue to read at home, to practice social distancing by video chatting or calling or texting on your phones. We do not need to be hanging out, playing soccer together. We need to try to keep our distance, so hopefully this virus will stop spreading and we can kind of return back to our normal lives. So I'm just going to go back into our lessons this week. We were talking about the days of the week. We were also talking about months of the year. We talked about birthdays and how to write the date in the United States. So today I wanted to show you a calendar to show why that was all important. So if you see here, this is for 2020 now, and the month of April. Okay, we have the days at the top. They are abbreviated. That means they're shortened. So sun is Sunday, mun is Monday, tu is Tuesday, wed is Wednesday. Remember, it's a different way to spell Wednesday, even though it doesn't sound like we hear the D. We don't say Wednesday, but that's the way it's spelled. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Remember, Sunday and Saturday are our week ends. They're at the end of the week. Okay, so today is Thursday, April 2nd, 2020. Yesterday was Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. Tomorrow will be Friday, April 3rd, 2020. A lot of you told me your favorite day of the week is Friday. That's my favorite day of the week too. So yes, looking at this calendar, there are 30 days in April. Not all months have 30 days. Some have 31, and February has 28, although this year was a leap year, so February had 29 days. Okay, but on average, the months are about 30 days long. Okay, so here's the calendar for the month of April. I can go back and look at February to show you. There it is, 29 days. Okay. March had 31. And now we're in April. It has 30. When I was growing up, we always had the saying that said 30 days has September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31, except for February has 28. So I still say that to myself when I try to remember how many days are in the month. Okay, so remember your assignments for me this week are to tell me in some way your favorite day of the week. Is it Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday? And I would also like to know, I would also like to know your birthday. And I also got a few people who told me things they did yesterday at home, and I really liked that. That was really good. All right, so I'm going to go for now, and I will see you guys tomorrow. You will see me. I might not see you, but you will see me tomorrow. Bye.